Hey guys, how are you? I hope all are you fine and happy. Welcome back to Fashion Forward, your go-to channel for the latest trends, tips and updates in the fashion world. Today's episode is all about shoes. We are talking stiletto high heels, moles, sandals and the timeless elegance of wooden high-heeled moles. Whether you are updating your wardrobe or searching for inspiration, we have got all the insight you need to step into 2024 with confidence. So let's dive in. Introduction to stiletto heels. Stiletto heels are the quite essential shoe for anyone looking to exude confidence, power, and sophistication. Known for their long, thin heel, these shoes have remained a wardrobe staple for decades, and in 2024, they are evolving with exciting new designs and materials. Trends for 2024. This year, stiletto heels are all about pushing boundaries. We are seeing a lot of transparent materials such as vinyl or plexiglass, making the heel look almost invisible. Designers are Designers are also experimenting with geometric shapes and bold colors. Classic black and nude heels are still in, but electric blues, metallic silvers, and jewel tones are stealing the spotlight. Styling tips. You can never go wrong pairing stilettos with a sleek tailored outfit for a formal look, but they are also being worn with more casual items like jeans and oversized blazers for an effortlessly chic vibe. In 2024, mismatched outfits with bold statement shoes are trending, so feel free to pair your stilettos with anything from dresses to trousers. Comfort and technology in stilettos. While stilettos have always been known for their elegance, comfort is becoming more of a priority. Many brands are now integrating more comfortable features like padded insoles, ergonomic heel shapes, and better arch support. Do not be surprised if you see stilettos that look daring but feel like a dream to wear. Iconic brands. Some of the stand out brands for stiletto heels in 2024 include Christian Louboutin with their unmistakable red soles, Emna Modi bringing a fresh take with her pyramid heel designs, Manolo Blahnik for those looking for timeless, elegant stilettos. Keep an eye on these designers as they continue to redefine the stiletto game. Moles with their slap on backless designs are seeing a resurgence in 2024. They are versatile, comfortable, and incredibly stylish, making them a great choice for both casual and formal occasions. From flat moles to towering heels, this show offers a wide range of options for every fashionista. Trading mole stylish. Moles are taking on new forms this year. Chunky heeled moles, satin finishes, and pointed toe designs are some of the big hits we are seeing. Another huge trend is embellishment. Think pearls, metallic accents, and crystal covered moles perfect for evening wear. We are also seeing hybrid designs with elements from other shoe styles like moles with platform soles. How to style moles. Flat moles pair perfectly with a summer dress or cropped trouser for a laid back Look for evening events, heeled moles with comfortable fabrics like velvet or sleek can elevate any outfit. If you are heading to a more formal event, consider metallic or embellished moles with a tailored jumpsuit or gown. Designers to watch. Moles are a favorite for both established brands and emerging designs. Some of the top names in 2024 include Gucci offering glamours and logo-heavy designs, Bottega Veneta known for their minimalist yet comfortable quality moles, The Row perfect for those who prefer understated and elegant designs. Introduction to sandal styles. As the warm weather approaches, sandals are a wardrobe essentials. However, sandals in 2024 are not just for casual wear. Designers are elevating them with intricate detailing, making them suitable for everything from beach days to elegant anything. 2024 sandal trends. This year, sandal trends are all about individuality. Lace up, gladiator sandals, platform soles, and strappy barely. These designs are making waves. Designers are also incorporating unexpected materials like vinyl mesh and even neon colors to give sandals are futuristic. Edgy platform sandals are particularly popular, giving a retro nod to the 19s while providing extra height. Versatile styling for sandals. Sandals are incredibly versatile for a casual daytime look. Flat leather sandals paired with wide leg trousers or a maxi dress are perfect. For our dressers occasions, heeled sandals with metallic accents or unique scarp designs can be paired with an evening gown or a tailored outfit. Sandal designers to know. If you are looking for high quality stylish sandals in 2024, here are some designers who consider Hermes for classic and sophisticated leather sandals, Chilo offering feminine and bohemian inspired designs, ancient Greek sandals blending traditions with modern chic for a timeless look. Wooden high-heeled moles. The return of wooden high-heeled heels. Wooden high-heeled moles have a retro appeal, often reminiscent of 70s fashion, but in 2024 they are making a significant comeback with the modern twist. The wooden sole adds a rustic yet polished feel to any outfit, and they provided durability as well as style. Why wooden heels are trending in 2024? Wooden heels are gaining popularity due to their eco-friendly nature and their unique aesthetic. Designers are blending wood with their materials like leather and suede to create a rich texture look. Some are even incorporating bold patterns or metallic accents, giving a modern edge to the classic wooden molds. Styling wooden high-heeled moles. Wooden high heels are surprisingly versatile. You can pair them with denim for a casual daytime look or style them with a flowy dresses for a bohemian chic vibe. They also work well with tailored shorts or skirts, giving a polished yet laid-back appearance. Comfort and durability. One of the key benefits of wooden high-heeled moles is their durability. The wooden sole is sturdy and long-lasting, and many brands are now adding ergonomic features to enhance comfort. This includes cushions, footbeds, and adjustable straps to ensure a secure fit. Top brands and designer. Some designer embarrassing wooden high-heeled moles in 2024 include Swedish has been known for their retro-inspired wooden clogs and moles. Chilo incorporating wooden elements into their comfortable footwear designs. Store offering a contemporary take on wooden moles, blending fashion with comfort. From the timeless elegance of Satellito to the laid-back charm of moles and sandals, 2024 is offering a wide array of footwear choice for every style and occasions. Wooden high-heeled moles in particular stand-out trend this year, bringing a perfect blend of nostalgia and modern flair. Which shoe style is your favorite? Let's know in the comments. And if you enjoyed today's video, do not forget to hit the like button, subscribe to Fashion Forward, and turn on notifications so you do not miss any of your latest fashion tips and trends. Thanks for watching, and we see you next.